mysterious sonic boom reported over New Jersey. At least 10 sonic booms have been reported this afternoon, the 28th of January, from southern New Jersey along the east coast to Long Island, New York, say scientists with the US Geological Survey USGS. The first sonic boom was recorded at 1:24 p.m. about 2 miles 3 kilometers north-northeast of Hammonton, New Jersey, and 37 miles 60 kilometers south of Trenton, New Jersey. In the following hour and a half, seismometers picked up at least 9 other sonic booms along the eastern seaboard all the way to Long Island. According to the USGS, a spokesperson for the USGS said agency scientists there have no other information except that these were sonic booms and not earthquakes that were detected today. A sonic boom occurs when an object or an explosion travels faster than the speed of sound, 761.2 miles per hour, or 1,225 kilometers h, at sea level, sending out a shockwave that also travels faster than sound, according to John Bellini, a geophysicist with the USGS National Earthquake Information Center in Golden, Colorado. The cause of today's sonic booms remains mysterious, Bellini noted, however, that if an explosion had caused these booms, someone likely would have seen it. Officials have also ruled out NASA's Wallops Flight Facility on Wallops Island in Virginia, which routinely launches small rockets and jet test flights from its eastern shore site. But today, no rocket launches or jet flights occurred at the NASA center, spokesman Keith Kolas said in an email.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.